Melissa Eboli, aka Chef Melissa, coming to you from Flavors of the World and my kitchen, aka Via's Kitchen. I had the pleasure of meeting Alan November of last year when I was working with Pat LaFrida Meat Purveyors, and my lovely and dear friend Ron Barber had told me he has this friend Alan that does all these food videos, and I was trying to create content with promoting Pat LaFrida Meats, so he linked me up with Alan. Then on that same day, Alan was like, hey, I have this show that I have hosts, do you mind coming to a restaurant with me? And little did Alan know that I've actually done hosting and TV work and culinary work before. So when we were introduced, it was just a natural fit to me to start doing videos with him. So our first restaurant together was Samir, then some other amazing restaurants that we've done since then are Himalaya in Sono. We've done Turquoise in Larchmont. So we started as Flavors of New York, expanded into Flavors of Connecticut, and now we are Flavors of the World. And I'm super excited to be on this amazing journey with him. I absolutely love meeting fellow chefs, fellow restaurateurs, and so many different unique cuisines and cultures and stories that you hear from all over the globe. It is just such a magical time connecting and having food bringing us all together. So I'm super excited to see what else Alan has in store for us and to create more content for you by us. Stay tuned for more from yours truly, Chef Melissa with Flavors of the World. Ciao.